Renanation. Renanation.
What's good? What's your papa with you? Thank you for clicking this video, and you already know what we doing today. Now today, I will be doing fried Oreos. And if you guys don't know how to make that, I will be giving you guys a quick tutorial, and I also will be trying it on video. So just stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below because it's there for a reason, of course. And we're gonna go ahead and get into it, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what you guys gonna be needing, and I'm also put it up here, and I'm gonna enlarge it for you guys, of course, as I always do. But before we get into it, if you guys did not go watch my nail video, go ahead and do that. It was the last video that was posted, and you would not miss it because it's the one before this one. So go ahead and go check it out, and that's just on period. So you guys will be needing Oreos, of course, because it's fried Oreos. Some vanilla icing. I'm gonna melt it and let it get like a little nice consistency on top of the Oreos. And if you guys haven't heard of that, well, you heard of it on my channel, because we trying stuff new, and that's just on that. Okay, also don't forget you need cooking oil. What else you need? And pancake mix. That's the only way you could fry it. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this tutorial. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below because it's there for a reason, of course. So let's get into it. Things first, you want to add your oil to your pan, let that boil. And once that get boiled all the way, go ahead and start prepping your Oreos and actually making your pancake mix. First things first, all I did was pour the pancake mix and mix it in with water, and boom, you got your pancake mix that you dipping your Oreos in. So you mix your batter up really good, go ahead and dip your Oreos inside that and just drop them into the oil. Quick tip, poking your little fork inside the middle of the Oreo and just dipping it is making it very much less messy, but you can just go ahead and just dip it in with your hand if you want to. Make sure you wash your hands, okay? Dip it inside the oil. Make sure you lift it up from the bottom a little bit so it won't be sticking, especially if you're using a pan, because it will sink to the bottom. So just lift it up a little bit from the bottom. To do that, you can just continue dipping your pancake mix inside the Oreos. Just pop them inside the oil and let them sit. So make sure you watching it. I got mine on high so it don't take that long. So that's what I'm saying, like make sure you really watching it. Like once you see the bottom getting brown, you flip it. So once this batch was done, I just took it off and put it on a plate so it can drain a little bit of oil off. But honestly, you could just use a napkin and sit them on there, and it really would drain off the oil. So once I did the next batch, I just dipped it inside the pancake mix and dropped it in the oil and just cooked them like that. Made sure I watched them, of course. As I was taking them out, I noticed I didn't put enough pancake mix, and that's why it looked like it's falling apart. As you making your fried Oreos, make sure you dip it inside the pancake mix enough, because it's gonna come out like that. Half of it fried and the other half is not. So just make sure you dip it all the way. Don't be like me, okay? So that's how it looked before I put all the sugary goodness on top. I'm gonna go ahead and melt the vanilla icing, and then just drizzle it on there. After the vanilla icing was done, I actually just drizzled it on there and made it look real nice and good. Once I finish, this is how it looks. Okay, you guys, so now that I'm done, I actually just drizzled on my icing already. And I also have the chocolate syrup that I want to try too. So I'm going to just drizzle this on half of them. So this is how it looks actually. I'm going to go ahead and try it. So basically it's just falling apart, but it tastes good. It's gonna fall apart if you don't put enough cake mix. So most of them, I don't have a lot of cake mix on it because I ran out, because I already had some that's already dipped all the way, as you can see. This one is not dipped all the way. You don't have enough cake mix. Like, you can literally see it. The Oreo is showing on the back, but not in the front. But they good. See? Fell apart. Then I got me some water, of course. A girl throat is dry with all these Oreos. Whew. That's good though. I'll get one of these. It's good. Ooh, and a little icing in the middle. Oreo icing is melted. Oh my God. I thought it was making my teeth black, but I didn't even see nothing. Tomorrow I'm actually recording 2 videos. Today I only recorded 1. And then the day before that I recorded 2. I don't know. I just be coming up with stuff and I be like, oh, I gotta do this. But the Oreos came out good. Like, did my thing. Even though they falling apart, but it's still good. See? It just broke in half. Just make sure y'all dip it inside the cake mix all the way and have enough. I just didn't want to dip it again. But tastes so good, make me want to slap your doggy. Okay, you guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys learned something, and if you did, go ahead and comment down below and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video, because I enjoyed making it for you guys. And if you guys decide to try this, go ahead and comment down below and tell me how did it taste, and then what was your experience. I hope y'all having a great day, because I know I am. Keeping it positive, calm, cool, and collective. And I'm gonna go ahead and sign out. Peace.